Introducing the 2022 Porsche Cayenne 3.0 V6 eHybrid 5 Door AU in stunning blue. This luxurious estate comes packed with comfort, safety and style features, including satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and a chrome package, with a 3-litre engine and petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel type. This vehicle offers both power and efficiency. Rest assured, with ABS, multiple airbags and a comprehensive warranty. Have peace of mind knowing this Porsche has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specifications. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to learn more about this exceptional vehicle.